Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel That Pretty Aurora. So this vlog is going to be a really special one. I am just here for a day. So मैं आपको आज vlog में सब चीज़ें दिखाने वाली हूँ कि मैं कहाँ आई हूँ और मैं क्या क्या चीज़ें करने वाली हूँ आज मुंबई में. तो बने रहिए मेरे साथ. Stay tuned. So today I am at Sahara Star. So here's a little tour for you guys of this luxurious 5-star hotel in Mumbai, which is located near Mumbai's domestic airport. Sahara Star is yet another masterpiece from Sahara India Parivar. It's an extraordinary resort style hotel with luxurious rooms and facilities right outside the airport. Just look at the decorations and it's quite massive. Guys, this property boasts one of the world's largest pillarless dome, as you can see, and is a cross between a Bali resort without the beach and Vegas casino without the gambling. The Sahara Star is much more than just a transit hotel. The rooms are spread across terraced tiers facing the colossal garden, and most of the rooms and suites are layered along 6 levels, mostly facing the lagoon. This is a wooden walkway which leads through the amazing gardens to the lagoon lounge. This bakery shop offers an extensive selection of pastries and is popular for tea and coffee. सो गाइज़ आपने देख लिया होगा सहारा स्टार का टूर. सो मैंने बाहर से ही लिया है, अंदर से मैं कुछ ले नहीं पाई बिकॉज आई जस्ट केम हियर टू हैव लंच. सो इसीलिए मैंने आपके साथ ये छोटी सी क्लिप शेयर की है. सो एन्जॉय दैट. So guys, after having our lunch, we went straight away to BKC to see the Geo World Drive. So come with me. So guys, we have finally reached Geo World Drive and I am really excited to take you all with me to this premium retail destination in Mumbai. Guys, before entering the mall, let me tell you that it is home to 72 prominent Indian and international brands. Yes, 72 brands with 27 culinary outlets with cuisines from across the globe, and it is Mumbai's first rooftop Geo Drive-in theatre. So watch this vlog till the end and do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, which is That Pretty Aurora. And guys, the Oberoi Group has opened its first independent food and beverage outlet at Geo World Drive. Cuckoo brings flavors of Paris to India and serves everything from pastries to wine. So guys, I hope you like this tour of Reliance's premium retail destination in Mumbai BKC. This vlog is in continuation guys. So इसके बाद हम गए थे मुंबई के iconic Prithvi Cafe which is in Juhu. It has outdoor seating in open air and I really love the vibe of Prithvi Cafe. It is indeed a hangout zone for people of all ages, trust me. So here's my cutting chai and my favorite Amritsari chole kulche with aglio olio pasta. These are few of the yummy things that Prithvi Cafe serves, so we couldn't wait to try all this. We went home from Prithvi Cafe and I have vlogged for next day as well. So keep watching, there's a surprise for you guys. It's Halloween. So this was our Halloween party. Then we went straight away to the Lord of the Drinks to have some food. How can I forget to have my favorite North Indian food before leaving from Mumbai? So I ordered paneer lababdar with butter naans and I enjoyed it. I must say that Mumbai is happening just because of these crazy people around me. So altogether we had a really great time. So I hope you all like this vlog. If you did, please do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel which is That Pretty Aurora. Until next time, bye bye.